Video on how to change the LCD on a FZ-55. So 16 screws and the top cover comes out, and then take out this part, separate this out, and take out the camera. This is the camera. Take this out and keep it on the side, and take this out and keep it on the side, and take this part out and keep it on the side. There's a screw there, so just take that out and keep it on the side, and then this whole LCD can be replaced. All right. Oh yeah, you have to take the LCD out from the hinges, and then this whole part comes out. Once this whole part comes out, it'll look like this. So it's the bezel and the LCD, and then replace. That's the bezel and the LCD, and then replace it with the next one, and then put all the screws back.